everyone. This is Lottie Ann Silvis, and I go by Coach Lottie Ann Silvis. And I am really wide awake right now. It is December the 30th, 2020. I'm making another live video on my Facebook profile, and I'm excited to share with you guys what you need to do for the new year 2021. And first of all, guys, how did you do this current year? I know we all went through a lot during the crisis of the pandemic, but overall, how has your business been doing online? Probably it's been stable, but there's a lot of people who have lost their jobs and they're probably online, maybe trying to find a new way to bring money in through online on their own computer. And if you happen to see my profile, well, guess what? I might have the answer for you. Um, all you got to do is, if you want to know more about me, what I do online, I am a YouTube influencer. You can make money on YouTube. Just go to my linktree.com, Ladia, and click on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to give you ways how you can make money online, start making money online. And if you don't have anyone to follow, you can follow me, but follow after my mentor, who is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. He is my mentor. I'm his student, and I have been growing ever since I met my mentor last year. Um, I'm really excited, guys. If you have not, I want you what I really want you guys to do for the new year. Sit down, get you a journal, all right. Write down the goals that you want to accomplish, because you have to have a vision. You have to have a goal setting in order to see visually your vision, your goal, what you want to accomplish. Because if you don't write it down and if you don't visually see it, how can you actually manifest that in your life? So goal setting is really important. Write down your current journal. If everyone has a current journal, if you're a millionaire, if you're an entrepreneur, you should be writing currently a journal of who you are in the future. Always write a present current journal of seeing yourself, what you're doing in the future. All right, that's going to help you focus on goal setting. That's going to give you a vision to see you manifest things in your life. Okay, so it's important to write a present movie every day about yourself, how you see yourself in the future. And another way of entering a new year is meditation. Okay, meditation is really important. If you don't know anything about meditation, get the Genie Script by my mentor, Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Of course, he goes by Wesley Virgin, but he is a billionaire, guys. Um, and it's going to come to pass because he has excellent mindset products that are top of the notch. It's hot. Every entrepreneur has this product. But the Genie Script, if you really, really want to start a fresh new year, you need to get the Genie Script. It used to be $47, and then it went down to $37, but there is a discount. Okay, one of the sales pages has a discount down to $34. This product is going to change you. All right, it's going to get you, it's going to boost your confidence in yourself. You're going to be able to excel. All right, I never used to do that because I never saw myself as a believer in myself. Okay, these products are going to actually make you believe in you, that you can do anything. And I think this is one of the most things that people struggle in life, is because they don't believe in themselves and they don't have confidence in themselves to see results come to pass. And I know many of us have dreams, goals, and then you look at those dreams and goals. You would say to yourself, I don't know. I don't see myself getting there. I don't know if I can do those things, guys. Those are bondages. Those are you got to break those bad habits. Okay, that's how we see ourselves in our own flesh, our natural way. All right. The new hack mindset reprogram courses will break through those barriers where you'll be able to say only positive affirmations about yourself. You'll be able to actually be in a high vibration where you're going to be creative if you're in line um, with with your positive affirmations. Okay. Positive affirmations give you a high bright vibration. All right. If you are not seeing yourself positive and you see in life negative, you're going to have a negative vibration where you're going to result of always staying down, always being in a low positive level. But if you're always on top of things and if you take yourself into another high level of hybrid vibrations, you're always going to be creative, you're always going to be productive, you're always going to soar in life, you're always going to reach your goals, and you're going to be so happy and you're going to give praise and gratitude to the Most High God because He got you there. Okay. Everything positive is where faith is, and it's faith is what you believe in yourself. So you got to believe in yourself, faith, and these mind hack courses will help you develop those skills. All right, guys. Oh, so I hope you guys. Okay, this is just a short video on my Facebook profile, but if you really want to get to know who I am, go to my YouTube channel. You can go to Mindset Coach Ladia Ann, and that you're going to see a lot of videos of me. I have over 200 videos there, and you can learn what I do online. You can learn about me, what I do. I usually don't do live profile videos. Okay. This is actually the first time doing, well, a couple times. I've done it a couple times when I started this account. Um, and Get ready for the new year, guys. Get excited. I'm excited for you because I know you're going to take action. You're going to follow me and you're going to follow my mentor because I know if you're sick and tired of working your 9 to 5 job, you know the pandemic crisis is here. Those people that don't have jobs, you're just gonna take action because you really, really want to excel. I know you do, and I want to help you and I want to support you. So you need to take action, okay? Go follow my YouTube channel. Click on those links. Those links will lead you to my mentor and grab your mind reprogram mind course today because the most important thing to do before you ever make money online is to get this right. Okay. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys soon. Talk to you later. God bless you. I give praise to the Most High God, for He is the greatest. He's always been number one in my life. And guys, let's get started with this new year coming forth. All right. Take care. Bye. Bye, everyone.